Let's begin with a big number one for Kyler Henderson. Kyler giving all of us a Friday morning wave right there. Happy birthday, Mr. Kyler in Chanute.
A big shout out going out to the Roberts triplets. You've got Axel, Stella, and Ava there in that picture. They're all 5 years old right now. What a wonderful photo of the Roberts triplets.
Speaking of 5, I'm going back to Chanute because that's where a smiling Brennan Smith is celebrating. I'm on board with you, buddy. Rock the single star. Love the hat. How about them Cowboys?
Super cute, super cute. Charlie Insminger turning 7 strong
Thumbs
this
up.
year. Happy birthday to Charlie in Moran, Kansas.
I like that. Tatum Johnston, that's an 8th birthday. That's a good photo right there. That's pretty cool. Happy birthday to Tatum. He is in Oswego.
That is really cute. And in Edna, Kansas, Sabrina Foster.
I'll be done.
Hey, we got 2 in a row here. Doing some
cool.
bucket feeding. Let's see, Sabrina turned in 8 years old as well.
That is too cool right there. Back to back, geographically,
age.
right down the road from each other. That's awesome. All right, Briley Cook. Nice catch. There we go. Not only that, it reminds me of warmer weather, Briley. I appreciate that. Briley's celebrating number 11 in Pittsburgh, and these happy birthday wishes from Papa Doug.
All right.
Papa Doug may be the one that went out there, got that, and would probably maybe snapped that picture.
Yeah, fishing buddy, fishing buddy.
Could be.
All right, in Mountain Valley, Kansas, turning 11, Riley Bolden. Happy birthday. You got something big behind you there.
Hey, Luke Smith, I got something to say, because this happy birthday wish comes from Mom, and this is really cool, because she wants you to know how proud she is to be your mother. Luke, I want you to have a marvelous birthday. You go give your mom a hug, kiddo. He's in Oswego.
All right, in Cherryville, Kansas, Morgan Strickland celebrating birthday number 12 this year. Hope it's a great one.
On to the teenage years, Georgia Arnold celebrating her 13th birthday. Congratulations, Miss Georgia. She's in Carl Junction.
All right, Lane Sullivan
Who?
is sweet 16. Lane, happy birthday in Frontenac. Hope it's a great one.
Y'all can make fun of him because Tanya said sweet 16.
I always do that though.
Happy birthday, Lane.
It's a sweet year.
That's good, man. Lexi Nolan, she is celebrating her 18th birthday. Miss Lexi, a happy birthday to you in Riverton.
All right, and Jonathan Rowe, AKA Punk, turning 20 years old in Hepler, Kansas. There must be a story behind that name.
Party on in Carl Junction because Harmony Cundiff is celebrating her 21st birthday. Congratulations, Miss Harmony.
All right. And let's see. In Pittsburgh, we've got Bryce Commons turning 25 years old.
Yeah!
Okay, but this photo was actually taken at Disneyland where, as I understand, Bryce wanted to be their guest. That's
Bryce,
smart.
we absolutely love you, man. I know that you're up watching right now, and I want you to have a marvelous, marvelous birthday. I'm gonna see you here in about a week, my man. So a happy birthday to you, and like I said, I can't wait to see you next week. I'll be out there, and I know you'll be out there, and you and I'll reconnect right there. And tell your mom I said hello as well.
All right.
Eve Norman, a happy 55th birthday. Eve is in Nevada.
Gloria Zerbania turning 56 years old in Sarcoxie. Happy birthday, Gloria.
Now, Mr. Bill Spencer, he is celebrating his 90th birthday. What a marvelous picture right there. Bill, I want you to know that special birthday wishes from your entire family. I want you to have a marvelous 90th birthday, and congratulations as well.
All right, and Mila Yeager celebrating a birthday in Columbus.
Speaking of the
great
bus,
one there.
Ross King, he's celebrating in Columbus as well. Happy birthday, Ross.
Not just Ross and Mila. We got more.
Speaking of the bus, happy birthday to Corky Zom. been a while since I've seen Mr. on. Mr. Corky, I hope you're doing very well, sir. And a very happy birthday from all of us. Janet Humble, celebrating her 42nd birthday. Janet is in Scammon. A happy birthday to Marcia Gard, who's in St. Paul. Oh! Well, we don't get pictures from the Ulepiches anymore? What's this about? I will take this up. I will find out what's going on here.
I was
Happy
wondering why
birthday,
we don't
Miss
have
Jill.
one. I was wondering why we don't have one from Dustin Wetzel.
That's a good question, too.
Yeah, because I know there's plenty of pictures out there out and about on Facebook. We need one of those. Dustin, happy birthday
Probably
to
didn't get his
you.
hair cut lately. You know how particular he is.
True.
Happy
true.
birthday, Dustin.
Get the beard just right. Dolores Bernaz celebrating a birthday in Nevada, and happy birthday wishes going out to Robin Mustang, who's now 40 years old, and Parsons. Happy birthday from Dad Tom.
All right, Deborah Castle, a happy 66th birthday. Deborah is in Galesburg. John Rose turning 77, and that just happened to be Jonathan Rowe's grandfather. So a very happy birthday to Mr. Rowe. And Lucy Glasscock, she is now a 20-year-old. Happy birthday to you, Miss Lucy. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all on this February 19th. Maybe you're celebrating on the 20th as well. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.